Hello students, let us take some stanzas of the poem A Tiger in the Zoo. A Tiger in the Zoo was composed by Leslie Norris. Leslie Norris was born on May 21st, 1921. He was educated from University of Southampton. His nationality was British and he bagged award, Coromandel Award. He was passed away on April 6, 2006. You have noticed that he was born on the same date, same year, passed away on the same date, same year. He was a poet as well as a story writer. Some works of Norris are here: Finding Gold, The Lord Winder, Ransom, Sliding, The Girl from Cardigan, and some other works he wrote. Now let us come on the lines of the poem. He stalks in his vivid stripes the few steps of his cage. He is used for the tiger. So here is personification. The poet has used personification. He walks in his vivid stripes. He walks in the bright colored stripes. The few steps of his cage, because cage, he lives in the cage, so he cannot walk for long distance, only few steps he could walk inside the cage. On pads of velvet, quietly he walks on the pads. Pads means here claws. On the feet he could walk silently. How is the feet? Velvet, as spongy, as soft as velvet. On his velvet-like soft pads, he walks silently in his quiet rage, in his quiet silent anger. He is very angry, but he is silent. He could not do anything. He should be lurking in shadows. At this hour, at this time, he should be hiding in the shadow of trees in the forest, in the woods, sliding through long grass. He should be walking on the long grass of the forest, near the water hole, near the ponds, near the ponds where there was availability of water. He could walk, where plump deer pass, and at that water point, water spot, or at the pond, some heavy, healthy deer come to drink water, and he could attack and catch any of the deer and eat to feed his stomach. To fill his stomach, he could attack on any of the deer and catch it. I think the poem is clear. It is written in the rhyme scheme of A, B, C, B. Stripes, cage, quiet, rage. Same sound, cage and rage, B and B. Stripes is not rhyming with third line, quiet. So here is A, B, C, B. And poet has used enjambment because the sentence is not completing in the same line, it passes in the next line. So here is enjambment. Poet has used so many poetic devices like personification, as he used for the tiger. He has used repetition, as quiet and quiet repeated here. So repetition is used in the poem. So I think the poem is clear. Now see the lines of the some questions. Why the tiger could walk only a few steps? So how does the tiger move in the cage? Next question, who is he in the poem? Last question, where should he be sliding?